So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete cookies on your iPhone. So if you want to delete cookies, you will need to go to your settings. And this is important to keep in mind because your internet data is very linked to your cookies, so you can delete your cookies through deleting some of the history and data linked with it on your settings. So let's go through here, go to the apps part. If you scroll all the way down, you will find it and find the Safari, since that's the default browser of the iPhone. So on here, get to the letter S, you can see Safari, open it up. On there, you can see some options like allow Safari to access some things. You can see language, search, general for autofill, favorites, and so on. For tabs, you can see and create a new profile, and you can see underneath clear history and website data. Now this includes cookies and as well, so let's click on that. And you can see it gives you the option last hour, today, and yesterday, all of history, and you can close all tabs along with it so you don't have some unfinished business. Make sure that you close tabs and finish what you started in the app beforehand. So on there, once you click on all of history, click on clear history, and your cookies will be deleted. So your cookie settings and so on will be deleted as well. So you can do that through your Safari. You can probably do that with other browser apps as well, but I just showed you through here since it's more likely that if you're an iPhone user, you have Safari installed. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.